Hi, assalammualaikum. My name is Nurul Nazurah and my metric number is 2020899828 and I'm from class 8A. For control engineering subject, I required to do a circuit using TinkerCAD and I chose this project called Digital Keypad Security Door Lock using Arduino. And as you can see in here, I use few types of different materials such as Keypad 4x4, Arduino, microservo, LCD 16x2, and two resistor. One with 1 kilo ohm, another one is 220 ohm. This digital keypad door usually been used for front door of houses. This to ensure more security and make it easier because we don't have to search for keys, especially if you're a woman with big handbags. And how does this works? This will work by you type the correct password on the keypad and the door is open. Okay. So the default password is 1234. So let's type 1234. And then the door is open. After the door is open, it takes some time and automatically closes the door. It will come with time is up. Okay. What happens if we insert the wrong password? 5689. Let's see. Okay, wrong password showed. So the door is unable to unlock. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.